So these are the green lentils that I use. This is the brand. I get these from Whole Foods. They're organic green lentils. And I'm going to show you how I cook them. So I have 1 cup of the green lentils here, and I pour them into a strainer first because I'm going to rinse them before I cook them. I like to use the filtered water to rinse them. So I'm going to use a stainless steel pot. I already have 3 cups of water starting to boil in here. So I'm going to dump them into the water. And then we're going to add our seasonings. Okay, so I have them boiling, and I'm going to be putting some seasonings in there. It's going to be some Celtic sea salt and organic no salt from Kirkland. It's you know, like vegetable seasonings, like Italian seasonings. And just a little pinch of the Celtic salt, and that should be good. I like to use a stainless steel pot. I don't like the chemicals in all the other pots. We're going to cook them for about 20 minutes. And we'll see how they come out. Sometimes you can check them to make sure they're not running out of water, and you can pour some more water in there to make sure you know, they don't run out of water. And I moved it to the back burner because the front one was too high. You want to keep it like on a really low flame and just make sure that they are staying to boil. Okay? So while the lentils are cooking, I'm gonna make the quinoa. And I get the Kirkland organic quinoa. You can get a big bag and it's a lot cheaper. So I'm gonna cook that same way I'm cooking the other ones. So I have 2 cups of water here for the quinoa. And I rinse the quinoa the same way that I rinse the lentils. And I'm gonna put them in the water. And we're not going to season them because we season the lentils. So I'm just going to get the lid. And then that's going to cook for about 15 minutes. Okay, let me turn down the fire. And then you got to watch that because if the fire is too high, it'll bubble over, so you got to turn that down after it starts boiling. Okay? Now the quinoa gives you a lot of protein. I eat that instead of rice because the rice has arsenic in it, and the way they produce it, it's not the greatest. I know lots of people eat rice, and I welcome you eating rice, but I just do quinoa instead. I think it's better for you. Let's check on the lentils. They look like maybe they're ready. Yeah, it looks like maybe they're ready. Might need to add a little bit more water. I might add a little bit more water. Let me taste them. Very good. Okay, so the quinoa is boiling away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on a back burner that's just a little bit less strong. And I'm going to turn it way down the burner as far as I can go without it going out. And we'll leave that on for about 12 minutes. Okay, so the quinoa is done. I'm going to turn the fire off. See how it's looking here. You know it's done when it's no more water left, okay? So we're going to put the lentils right on top of that. Put this on until the lentils are done. I'm going to cooking the lentils a little bit longer, so half hour is good, I guess. Yeah. Half hour. Should be plenty. Okay, so we're ready to plate. And we're going to be using a regular spoon for the quinoa. And a slotted spoon for the lentils so that you can drain out the water. So I'm going to be eating this right now because it's time for dinner for me. And since I don't eat meat, I'm going to have this for dinner. Look at that. It's very good, I'm sure. Very nice. Hit like and subscribe, and I'm sure you'll make this at home.